Finding a job can be tough. It's easy to feel lost and discouraged. We all want a job that we enjoy. We want to use our skills to help others. And we want to provide for ourselves and our families. Remember, Allah is with you. It's normal to feel stressed during your job search. You might even start to doubt yourself, but don't lose hope. Allah has a plan for you. He is always with you, guiding you towards what is best. There is a powerful wazifa that can help you find a job. It is important to remember that a wazifa is not a magic spell. It is a way to seek closeness to Allah. When we do this wazifa with sincerity and faith, Allah will open doors for us. First, make wudu to purify yourself, then recite Durood Sharif 3 times. Read Surah Al-Waqiah with focus and devotion. Next, recite Ya Razak 100 times. Finally, end with Durood Sharif 3 times. This wazifa is a powerful tool, but remember, consistency is key. Try to do this wazifa every day for at least 21 days. While you do this wazifa, remember to work hard and don't give up on your job search. Update your resume, apply for jobs, and practice your interviewing skills. Allah helps those who help themselves. He sees your effort, and He will reward you for your hard work. Trust in His timing, for He knows what is best for you. Start and end your day with gratitude. Thank Allah for all the blessings in your life. Be patient and trust in His plan. If you know someone else who is struggling to find a job, share this wazifa with them. Spread hope and kindness. Remember, Allah is the most merciful. Let us turn to Allah with open hearts and minds, have faith in His plan, and He will guide us towards success.